how to see or how to view your listening history on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can see or view your listening history on Spotify. Well, be it Android or iOS, viewing or seeing your listening history on Spotify is basically the same process. Simply go ahead and open up Spotify. Once you open up Spotify, right, the next step is to simply tap on the profile icon at the top left here. Once you're here, you'll find the recent option from the pop-up. You can see add account, what's new, your sound capsule, recent, and settings and privacy. To view your listening history, tap on reset. It'll basically show your music and podcast list. If you tap on music, you'll be able to see all your music here played. So you can see here. So this is how you can view your listening history on your Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.